Welcome to the last section of this BFR course, which is looking at clinical applications and post-injury. It's a great way to get somebody moving extremely quickly. So even if they are a few weeks post-surgery, you can still occlude, you can use electrical stimulation for the contraction, or you can just ask the patient to contract as much as they can at that time. It's a good way to occlude and generate blood flow, which will stimulate that healing process. Now, this doesn't really matter what the injury is. So even if it's shoulder or elbow, wrist, you can still occlude. The process of the occlusion for the upper body is similar to the hypertrophy, and around 40 to 50% of limb occlusion, and for the lower body, somewhere between 50 and 80. This more adaptation is towards time. You'll start maybe as low as 2 minutes and not necessarily go above 10 to 15 minutes. Again, you can adapt that from patient to patient. It's a great way to get the patient moving as quickly as possible. We hope you enjoy this section. Read through all the literature and all the information on the course, and good luck.